Hope you can join my weekend workshop. It's very integrative. It's a new take on energy psychotherapy. It's a new take on trauma work. It's a new take on spiritual awakening. You see, it combines the gifts of energy healers, mindfulness practitioners, and body-centered trauma specialists. It offers a new look at what the incarnation process looks like. You see, most of us believe in a bigger self, right? That there's this bigger wholeness within us. Yet when pain happens, we can kind of lose connection with our best essence. I call it the core being. And yet, those painful moments, those difficult life challenges, that false self can be the vehicle for spiritual awakening and incarnating more of your wholeness into physical form. Hello, I'm Carolyn Eberly. I'm founder of the Mind Energy Body School of Transformation. And I created this work because I had a deep wound from my childhood. When I was young and after traumatic moments, I would wake up in the middle of the night and I'd see energy, particles of energy all around us. And it would soothe me and it would comfort me. And then when I was about 10 years old, I fell down and I really skinned my elbow very badly. And when I looked up, there was a cute boy there. And he said, when I hurt myself, I lean into the pain and it transforms. Well, I've been trying to figure out how that works most of my life. And so I developed something called Transformational Life-Centered Skills Coaching Program. And this weekend workshop is an introduction to it. You see, there is this spiritual wholeness, but we also have this brain and body system that can pull us out of it, this ego that is controlled by the limbic system and our attachment system that creates this false self. And it can make this earth vibration feel very dense and very difficult. So I teach 5 steps, skills, and spiritual laws, a really organized formula for change, for leaning into the difficulty, because when you awaken to this quantum reality, everything is possible and everything is probable as you learn how to transform anger to power, sadness to joy, false self to that incarnated, really embodied essence of who you really are. So I hope you can join me. Friday night is only $25 if you want to just come and check it out before you do the whole workshop. And Saturday is from 10 to 6, and it's extremely experiential, but it's also grounded in neuroscience and quantum physics. It is a tangible, grounded, life-changing tool that you can use on yourself and with your clients right away. So I hope you join me. It is August 3rd, Friday night, and Saturday, the 4th. Discount is $97 if you join by July 20th. So it's only $97 if you join by July 20th. Otherwise, it's $147. The details follow. Blessings, sending love along the way. Aho.